he almost threw it back in there.
Go for this guy right here. Oh, I missed him. That was my fault. Right there, come on. Okay, that's perfect. Stay. Oh my god, yes. Alright, I got him for $3. This one's alright. Oh, yes. 2 in a row. Nice, that's got him. Ready? Oh, that's a perfect spin. Stay in there. Nice.
3 in a row?
Yep. Oh, come on. Yes.
Oh, that's 4 in a row.
Nice. Alright. Yes.
Almost 5 in a row.
Nice. Got it.
Look at all those down there.
Maybe this one right here. Oh, that's perfect. Oh. That's both of those. Come on, stay. Oh yes, nice. Oh, that's perfect. Stay in there. Oh, I tried to drop it. Oh, stinker. All right, nice. Go for this dude. Nice. Stay in there. Nice. Kung Fu Panda. Cleaning this machine out. Oh, this guy's good. It's alright. Oh. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Got him.
You're doing Gigamon with me.
Put right there. Oh, yes.
Don't at your grab.
No. Nice. Alright, let's... Oh, stay. Nice, I don't know how we won that, but we got it. Alright, oh, that's perfect. Stay. Oh, no. Alright. I think we can end it. Oop, another try on. Here. How much time do we have?
About 20 minutes.
Oh, yes. Nice. Perfect. Got him. Stay. Nice. We're gonna need a bigger backpack.
You think so?
Oh yeah. What should have him? Stay in there. Nice. Got him. Come on. Why is that one such a... You notice that one's hard to get? There we go. Stay. Nice. Now I gotta get that one. And then
What?
we'll go that. I can't leave it. So it's gonna get it. Too many. Oh, that's got. Oh, almost
2 and 1.
All right. Let's see how many we have here.
I can eat some.
Come on, there we go. Stay. Nice. Got him. Oh, that's perfect. Stay in there. Nice. Got him. You want to take this? Oh, come on. Stay. No, I hate it when it does that. Did you see that?
Yeah.
It goes like...
I got a lot of those comments in the first mic.
Oh, that should happen. Yes. Stay. Nice. As long as it doesn't jiggle. Oh, that's gettable. Oh, that should have it. Yes. Stay. Yes.
And for all those hate comments. There. You can edit that out if you want.
Oh, that should happen. Shake it out.
Wait, did it just to drop it?
Dropped it. Right there. That was so close. Oh my god, I hate it when they fall on their side too. So hard to run like this. No. Oh yes. Stay. Okay. This one right here. You think so?
I think so.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, watch, it's gonna do that little thing. Or no.
Oh, so close.
Come on, that should have it. Got him. There's no way that's gonna drop it.
I'm hoping we still go for Florida for sure.
Another one. Whoa, that one's different. I've never seen that one before. It's hard to... Oh, I guess they're all like that.
Alright, my ride's here.
Oh, got another one. Nice. Alright guys, I got 0 tries. I don't even know how many, plus I have that backpack full. Literally cleaned this thing out to the brim. That's it. I'll probably come back for more sometime. What's up, Claw fam? I just got done from Castles and Coasters. We won so much stuff. I'm gonna count it all. I spent actually over $100, but just about $100. So I won so many of these guys. If you look, they're literally everywhere. So I'm gonna count them all. $42, 43, 44, 43, 44, 45. Check. Yes, 46 prizes. Oh gosh, okay, if I do the math, that's like almost $2 a piece, a little more, probably like $2.04 or something. Oh, that's not bad, because I usually buy them at like $3.30 a piece, so I saved probably around $50 or so. Plus I got to make the video for you guys. So yeah, that was actually great. It usually doesn't happen too often where I come out ahead, but that machine was so good I couldn't let it go. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed it. Let me know what kind of videos I should post below. Play all types of arcade games. So Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, links are in the description. Follow me there. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.